Wire Partitions for Safety, a case study on a commitment center. WireCrafters recently had the privilege of working with our dealer Minor Corporation on a project for a commitment center in Florida. The project aimed to secure a second-floor balcony to keep inmates safe from falls and prevent unwanted climbing. Our wire partitions were the perfect solution to address these safety concerns. Before installing the wire partition, inmates were at risk of being thrown or jumping from the balcony, putting their safety at risk. In addition, the balcony railing provided an easy access point for potential climbers. Our wire partitions addressed both of these issues by providing a secure barrier that prevents access to the balcony and its railing. We were chosen as the partner for this project because of our consistently high quality products and unmatched sales and technical support. One of the key factors that led the company to choose this solution over other options was that Minor Corporation's Vanerio has many years of experience crafting wire cages and partitions. In addition, their installers are top-notch in creativity and making field adjustments. Along with the safety benefits of our wire partition, the modular design allows for building upon the current design. This means that if the need arises, we can easily add ceilings over each staircase and between the balcony level for even greater protection. Overall, this project highlights the importance of safety in correctional facilities and how our wire partitions can provide a reliable solution. At WireCrafters, we are committed to working with our dealers and end users to provide customized solutions that address their specific needs. Contact us today to learn more about our products and how we can help you with your safety concerns.